My brain and body, my neurons, my synapses, my voice, speak aloud and make sound. Working to explain infininomics. But my brain and my body are not confused. Brain and body are working to help solve human problems. Solving human problems in silence has a similar process as religion and mantra and prayer. But religion, with all it's done, with all its supporters have achieved, has never explained to any human how to end suffering with no dominance. However, a human hears my voice. They read their DSM manual and they say I'm schizophrenic. I'm suffering from mental health and probably need to be in their care involving psychiatry. My brain and body eventually get so confused out loud. I start to dig a hole in the ground to die with dignity in this duality.